Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get your spare tire off a GMC Canyon. First, locate the access hole for the spare tire mechanism, usually found near the rear bumper. Next, gather the necessary tools from your truck's storage compartment, which typically include a lug wrench and extension rods. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a firm, level surface for safety before you begin. Once your tools are ready, assemble the extension rods and attach the lug wrench to create a long handle. Insert this assembled tool into the access hole until it engages with the lowering mechanism. Then, turn the lug wrench counterclockwise to slowly lower the spare tire from its undercarriage position. Keep turning until the tire is fully on the ground. With the spare tire on the ground, pull it out from under your GMC Canyon. You will see a retainer plate and cable holding the tire. Push down on the retainer assembly and tilt the plate to free it from the center of the wheel. Carefully remove the retainer cable, fully detaching the spare tire from the lowering mechanism. Now place your flat tire where the spare tire was located. Reattach the retainer cable and plate to the flat tire, then use the lug wrench to crank the mechanism clockwise, raising and securing the flat tire firmly in place. Finally, disassemble your tools and store them neatly back in their designated compartment in your truck.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.